Hold on for a second. What you're about to see might blow your mind. If you want to make sure you never miss a video and always be the first to see this content, hit the subscribe button now and turn on the notification bell. The PEMDAS rule defines the order of operations in mathematics. In this rule, the letter P stands for parentheses, E refers to exponents, M and D represent multiplication and division, which are performed from left to right, and A and S stand for addition and subtraction, which are also carried out from left to right. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't miss your chance. By subscribing, you not only give us energy but also make sure you don't miss any exciting content. Now, let's continue solving this thrilling question.
The upcoming videos are going to be truly special. Subscribe now so you don't miss out.